Welcome to this video tutorial where we'll explore how to insert external images in a vignette using pkgdown in R. If you're an R developer or data scientist looking to create professional looking documentation for your package, including high-quality images in your package vignettes can greatly enhance the learning experience for users and make your documentation more engaging. However, inserting external images can be a bit tricky, especially if you're new to pkgdown. In this video, we'll walk through the steps involved in adding external images to your vignette, making it easy for you to follow along and implement in your own project. So, let's dive right in. When creating a package vignette using pkgdown, you typically write your documentation in R Markdown format. To insert an external image, you'll need to use the correct syntax and specify the path to the image file. First, make sure that the image file is located in a directory that can be accessed by your R package. A common approach is to store images in a separate directory within your package's root directory. For example, you might create an images folder inside your package's main directory. To insert the image into your vignette, use the standard Markdown syntax for images. Alt texto, image path. Here, alt text is a brief description of the image that will be displayed if the image cannot be loaded. The image path should point to the location of the image file relative to the root directory of your package. For instance, if you have an image named example, .pm stored in the images folder within your package's main directory, the correct syntax would be example image, images example pkgdown. When pkgdown renders your vignette, it will replace this markdown code with the actual image. Make sure to test your vignette regularly as you work on it to ensure that the images are being inserted correctly. To recap, here are the essential points to remember when inserting external images in a vignette using pkgdown. Store your images in an accessible directory within your package's root directory. Use the correct Markdown syntax for images. No. Alt texto, image path. Specify the path to the image file relative to the root directory of your package. That's it. With these simple steps, you should now be able to easily insert external images into your vignette using pkgdown in R. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points covered, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on creating professional-looking documentation for your R packages. Thanks for watching.